Well, I'm already starting to wrap some Christmas presents. I think this will be a nice gift to give to friends that are around, so that you can just drop it at their door or hand it to them, and or a great gift to send out in the mail. Make sure you package it right. But anyway, I got some of Amy Roloff's fudge here. So I ordered the chocolate, and then I ordered the vanilla, walnut, and the pumpkin. I mean, to me, this fudge speaks of nostalgia. I love fudge during the holidays, or really any time. But anyway, I thought this would make a nice gift for a friend of mine. And I decided to put it with a nice decorative plate so that they would have something to serve it on. So I put a vanilla walnut, a chocolate, and a pumpkin. And I know on the site it comes with 4, but they're rich, they're delicious. They speak of holidays and Christmas. Great with coffee or tea, in the morning, in the evening, a late night treat. I don't know, but I don't know. To me, fudge speaks of love. It speaks of, I thought of you and I wanted to give you a gift. So I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna put the fudge in this nice little pretty shiny paper on the plate, so that way it will have, you know, nice decorative wrapping. Just kind of set it there a little bit. Then I'm gonna wrap this in white tissue paper. That way when they open it up, yes, they'll have a lot to unwrap, but I just think it'll be really nice. And then I like brown paper. I just took a grocery bag. You can definitely buy some of this brown paper at the store, but I thought this would be nice nostalgia. And then I forgot the tape, but I'll go ahead and tape it. But the one thing I love too, you can put a bow on it, you can put a tag, whatever it may be. But I'm gonna do a little bit of red and green ribbon here. I love this ribbon because you can make it curl up. So here we go. Clip it there. Make sure you got a nice, I hope I cut the green one long enough. So we're gonna do that. I'll put this underneath. Here we go. Oh, I'm getting all tangled up. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Make sure that's all nice and tight. And then I'm just going to tie it. This is where you want someone to help you, because you want someone to put their little finger on this little spot right here. So I'm gonna try. And I think another great way to get the kids involved, if you've got any Christmas stamps or stickers, it's a great way to have them decorate the wrapping paper if you're gonna give it to friends or family or something of that sort. So, then I'm just gonna fold this under, tape it, and you have a nice little gift with a nice little treat, and hopefully it'll bring back fond memories of Christmas. So, I'm going on to the next one. So Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen Fudge, you've got chocolate, walnut, vanilla, and pumpkin. I think they speak of the holidays. So Merry Christmas to you. I hope you check out Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen and enjoy the fudge for yourself, family, friends. I think it makes a great gift. Merry Christmas.